Three holes lined up here.
Cracking my engine case.
1, 2, and 3. So we just thread it in as deep as we can. Get as much thread as you can so you are at the smallest risk of breaking something. Tightening down.
Failed. Incoming in 3, 2, 1.
Something is happening. Not sure what.
0. 0 1/2.
Oh no. That was bad. Busted her clean, boys. Just gonna pretend that never even happened. See? I might as well go ahead and pull the stator off. Don't tell me these screws are holding the cases together, because that would make me feel real dumb.